Have you ever thought about transitioning to cybersecurity? If that's a yes, then you've come to the right place. Today, we delve deep into the process of transitioning to cybersecurity, taking it one step at a time. First things first, it's crucial to understand what cybersecurity is. In the simplest of terms, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. These cyber attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, interrupting normal business processes, or implementing fraudulent acts. Now, what does it take to transition into cybersecurity? Well, step 1, evaluate your current skills. Cybersecurity isn't a field that requires you to start from scratch. Many skills from various IT backgrounds are transportable. So, identify what skills you already possess that can be useful in this new venture. Moving on to step 2, get educated. While having a background in IT can be beneficial, cybersecurity has its own set of specialized knowledge and skills. My Proven Academy provides online courses that can help you learn the ropes. Some popular certifications include CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, and more. Step 3. My Proven Academy provides hands-on marketable experience to make you employment ready. This can give you a much-needed insight into the industry and help you understand how things work on a practical level. The fourth step is networking. Attend seminars, webinars, conferences, and meetups to connect with people in the field. Networking not only helps you learn from experienced professionals, but also opens doors to potential job opportunities. Step 5. Stay updated. The world of cybersecurity is always evolving. New threats emerge every day, and so do new defenses. It's essential to keep up with the latest trends and developments in the field. Finally, step 6. Never stop learning. Cybersecurity is a field that demands constant learning and adaptation. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the better equipped you'll be to handle the challenges of the job. So to summarize, transitioning to cybersecurity involves evaluating your current skills, getting educated with My Proven Academy, gaining practical experience, networking, staying updated, and continuously learning. It's a journey that requires dedication, curiosity, and a love for problem solving. But with the increasing importance of digital security in today's world, the efforts are well worth it. So are you ready to take the plunge into the fascinating world of cybersecurity? Remember, every expert was once a beginner. All it takes is that first step forward. Good luck on your journey. Have you been looking for a place to learn and acquire relevant skills for career advancement in cybersecurity? Well, look no further than My Proven Academy. We are a premier institution known for our comprehensive and cutting-edge cybersecurity courses. Our curriculum is tailored to meet the needs of aspiring cybersecurity professionals, covering everything from the basics to advanced strategies and tactics. Designed by industry experts, our courses are updated regularly to keep up with the latest trends and technologies in cybersecurity. We believe that to stay ahead in this fast-paced field, continuous learning is not just an option, but a necessity. And that's exactly what we offer at My Proven Academy. But it's not just about learning the theory. At My Proven Academy, we provide practical training sessions that can help you understand the real-world applications of your knowledge. Plus, you get access to a community of like-minded individuals who are just as passionate about cybersecurity as you are. This community can be a great source of inspiration, support, and even potential job opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Join us today at My Proven Academy and take the next step in your cybersecurity journey. You can reach out to us at or visit our website for more information. Remember, your journey to becoming a cybersecurity expert starts here at My Proven Academy. Let's make the digital world a safer place together.